What up, y'all? Welcome back to another Jeep Wrangler video. Today we're gonna be changing out the grab bar, the passenger grab bar right here. Checking this thing, it's all tore up. Needed a new one, man. I didn't get an OEM one. I got an aftermarket one. I'm gonna show y'all what that looked like though. It's an aluminum one. But first I'm gonna show you how to take this one right here off, and then I'll show you my new one. First thing you gotta do is it's gonna be a strap holding it on. It's just a Phillips head screw. Unscrew this right here. And this right here just comes out of these little brackets right here at the bottom. Now I took my glove compartment door all the way off to make it easier to get to. In order to get these two off, they're held on by, these have two bolts in them. They're held on by two nuts in the back inside of here. It's hard for me to get the camera. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the nut is right there. I don't know how good you probably can see that, probably can't. The other one is here. But it's two 11mm nuts. I'm just gonna take a socket in there. Once I start loosening up, this right here should come off there, and just take these two nuts off back of the boats. That's what it looks like after you get off just these two bolts holding it on. This nut right here, this is 11mm nut. You can't really see in there. You have to stick your hand in there and feel forward back there. That's basically what I was doing. Have my ratchet just feel forward, loosen up, take these bolts around. Yours probably be a lot quicker than mine. Everything on my Jeep is rusted out, so even these bolts was rusted, so hard to take these things off. All right, this is my new one right here. So aluminum one, a lot better right here. This is just gonna come with these easy install, just two bolts, nuts on the back of them. This should be pretty quick right here and simple. Like the look of this. I'm gonna put it on like this for now, but probably here in the future sometime I am gonna paint it, probably either black or green to match a little bit. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw this thing on right quick. All right, everybody, that's the finished product right there, man. This thing was a lot easier to go in than my other one took out. Just two bolts with the nuts on the back. I pretty much just held the nuts with my hand. I thought I was gonna have to use a socket, but you can get it pretty tight with just screwing this in. I hold the nut by hand back there. Pretty good. I like the way it looked, man. It feels good too. It's a lot better quality. This aluminum feels good, but it's not gonna stay looking this color. Probably gonna take it apart. Now I'm gonna take all this stuff off and wash it up really good, and probably repaint all this and paint this too. But yeah, that's gonna be another video, but this is gonna be it for this Jeep video right here, man. This is how you put on a grab, passenger side grab handlebar right here. Do thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all on the next Jeep video. Gone.